Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you are doing good. Welcome to the new video. Today we are going to see some beautiful luxury bags and you will love them. If you are watching the video, please like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel as it helps me to make more videos. The luxury designs are very beautiful. The luxury bags are very nice and awesome. The bag color is very beautiful and beautiful design. The girl bag is very nice. The handbag is very amazing and beautiful. The handbag are very nice and beautiful. Supreme bag is very nice and beautiful bag. Shoulder bag is very nice and amazing. Handbag are very awesome. The brown color bag is very nice and beautiful. The bag designs are very nicely and beautiful. Cloth bag are very nice and beautiful. The office bag are very nicely and amazing. Black and silver color are very beautiful. The bag designs are very stunning. The bag is very most beautiful. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Pink bag is very beautiful. The shoulder bag are very nicely and amazing. The baggies are very amazing and beautiful. Luxury bags are very nice and amazing. The bag are very beautiful and beautiful flower designs. The handbag are very most beautiful. Girl bag is very nicely and beautiful. The bags are very nicely and amazing. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and subscribe to channel. Also tell me in comments which type of more videos you want. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.